Yo, what's up, Molly Bunch? Welcome back. One of my favorite artists, one of two of my favorite artists, actually. Many of my favorite, I have favorite artists out there in Malawi now. Njuchi, Kell. So they have a new song. Is it new? I think it's new. Some people suggested this song, so obviously you guys know I'm a big fan, and yeah, how can I not? Let's get to it, man. If you're here for the first time, Dina langa ndititi ndimankhala kuna ku USA koma ndimachokera ku Botswana. Hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell too, so you don't miss any of the uploads on this channel. Somebody's drowning. AGWA NAWO.
You already know. Akuti unabwela utachena tima utakota ntetemya afuna ubwele soka chikena umaoneka osakena ndiyo sapulitsa ngozi olemekeza pongozi uoneka somanga muzi nsaza kuchiteluzi I'll go extra mile for you.
Hey.
I give my all to you. My heart beats.
It's a family, man.
Do anything for you, my God. I will deliver to you. Devoted to you.
Eavesdropping.
Forever bound it to you. My heart belongs to you. Not when you go in my younger was. Not when you go in
makani akufuna wela antu ayamba kusonga lobola ankolo hanga nawo sakulola akufuna wela nawo akufuna wela atina pesa kangenge ndiwe ngenge monga maiwane endisakusiye ati umokwilita uyo ati ndiye atakusunge.
You know what's funny? I mean, the music is brilliant. I'm looking at the video now because I'm like, wow, this is a beautiful country you guys have over there. I feel like maybe I'm able to appreciate it because I'm not from there. And maybe you go to Botswana, you're gonna appreciate it more than I can because you know I'm kind of used to it now. It's like, oh, up with that, but it's beautiful. I saw this like there at the top of the hill there, and it just reminds me of one of the hills in Gap City. And like you go up there, you're like, you achieved a lot. Just like getting up there is like a, it's like a trip. So I just wanted to point out that this is a beautiful song. I am somehow failing to understand what is it about, but I can assume it's about, like, you know, this guy's girlfriend is just loved by everybody at home. That's what I'm thinking. The dad is like, yo, this is it. Hopefully nothing changes.
Then this I could see now when she got in baby, my younger was. See now when she got in send it in mommy, my younger ones.
Send it in because we are together.
My younger AGWA now.
I don't know what is the water. What is that accent, huh? What is it symbolizing? That's what I'm trying to understand.
AGWA now.
It's a love song. Yo, I think at this point, these guys can just release another song, whatever. They can just be standing there, be like, "Wow, that was great." Did you see that? Yeah, man, that's beautiful. Thank you so much, you guys, for suggesting this song. I really, really appreciate it. And let me drink my. Yeah, continue doing that, man. These are my favorite artists, obviously. Some of the people that I would like to talk to and just pick their minds because they've been making music for a minute now, and I think Njuchi is like what 24, 25 now. He's been making music since he was like a teenager, so it's kind of like the experience he has, man. Legendary stuff. Anyway, thank you so much for watching this. We'll see you guys on the other side. If you're here for the first time, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell too, so you don't miss any of the uploads on this channel.